Bienvenue. Welcome to the French language class at Sydney International School, where language learning meets cultural exploration.
Bonjour. Comment ça va? Je suis bien. Asseyez-vous. Merci.
At Sydney International School, we believe that language learning goes beyond words. Our French class also introduces students to the rich culture and traditions of French-speaking countries. Our experienced teachers create an immersive and interactive environment where students from all backgrounds can confidently learn and practice French.
When someone is coming in our class, how do we say in English? We say good morning or good afternoon, right? So in French you will say bonjour and you will ask how are you? Means comment ça va? I am fine means je vais bien. In French you will say comment t'appelles-tu? And you will reply je m'appelle. I am a boy. Je suis un garçon. Je vais bien et vous?
Je vais bien. Comment t'appelles-tu?
Je m'appelle Sandra. Comment t'appelles-tu?
Je m'appelle Sadi. Où habites-tu?
J'habite à Banane. Où habites-tu?
J'habite à Nantes. Merci.
Merci. Au revoir.
You have done a great job. It was so nice. You have done all the pronunciation very nice. To continue to practice that conversation. It was a great job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Merci.
Merci.
Asseyez-vous.
Merci.